Hello, everyone. In this video, I will be going over the basics of club banking with ASI Accounting Services. First, you might be wondering, how do we set up your club account? First, your club or organization needs to be registered and in good standing with Student Organizations and Leadership and Sac State. If you are unsure whether your organization is in good standing, please reach out to your sole advisor. Once this is complete, you will need to attend Nuts and Bolts. Nuts and Bolts is a mandatory workshop for all club officers. Please reach out to your sole advisor for the next upcoming workshop dates. Once this is complete, you are ready to fill out the club accounting form, also known as the CAF. When completing the club accounting form, or the CAF, it can be submitted through the following link. The club or treasurer or president will need to initiate the link by entering information of all authorized signers and faculty staff advisors. This will start a workflow that needs to be fully completed before club banking can happen. The form link will be emailed to each listed person to complete via Adobe Acrobat Sign. If the form does get stuck at any point in time, you can check through Adobe Acrobat to see which of the signers need to complete the form. Once all parties have signed and the form is approved by ASI Accounting Services, everyone will be notified via email with a copy of the agreement. Once the agreement is complete, $800 in doc funding is automatically deposited into your club account. This is not to exceed $2,000 if unspent. A little more about the club accounting form. A new club accounting form does need to be submitted by ASI and validated by every academic year. A new club accounting form also needs to be submitted if there are any changes to your authorized signers or faculty advisors during the year. A valid CAF will allow only authorized signers to request a club balance, club reports, and authorized check requests. Faculty advisors can only request club balances and not check requests. Club balances and reports can be requested in person at ASI Accounting Services or via email at asiaccounting@csus.edu. Your club account number will be needed for deposits or withdrawals. This account number can be found on the completed CAF. When it's time to make a deposit, your club can visit the ASI Student Shop window located in the third floor of the University Union next to the ASI Accounting Services office. When making deposits, any person can deposit funds into your account. All they need is your club or organization name. Only cash and checks are accepted for deposits, and online deposits are not available. When making a deposit, you will need to fill out a club deposit sheet. On the link above, we have a couple tips for making your transaction easier and faster when visiting for deposits. Deposits can be made during our normal business hours. You can also visit the link to see our most current hours. Union and well invoices can also be paid at the ASI Student Shop window. The club funds are rolled up into your ASI checking account, so all club withdrawals are done through a check request process. Clubs do not have their own separate banking accounts. All check requests can be submitted through the link via job form. Requests are to be submitted by 5 p.m. on Wednesdays and processed and mailed by the following Thursday. If you would like a check for pickup, please make that noted on your check requests. Forms with no issues are completed within the time frame. If your forms require any additional documentation, this will extend your processing time. Please remember, if you are picking up a check, it will be picked up from the ASI Student Shop window and a photo ID is required. Please make sure to stay updated with our website for any special check run dates or holidays that delay our deadlines. If you do need any additional club banking help, please use the slide as a reference for our phone number and emails, and you all can always feel free to visit us in person. Thank you.